So this is USDCAD analysis for Wednesday the 16th of May. Now let's just have a look at whatever in prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices did hold the 127.56. We did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, broke back above the 128 level, held at 128, from which we did see a successful break of the 128.39 and the other confluences of the 400 and 200 period moving averages. We did have pretty strong bullish buy side momentum, breaking above the 129 level all the way up towards that 129.20. Didn't quite get towards that 129.44, from which we did see a pretty sharp retracement here back below the 129, brief consolidation in beyond slightly below the 128.80, and from which we are seeing a further breakdown in prices here on the US dollar against the CAD. So we've broken back down below the 200 and 400 period moving averages. We are looking to see our price react towards our 28.39. Previously acted as support in around that 128.39. So we'll see if we can hold there. We're just about 4 or so pips away from that level. See if we can hold as support for a possible move up towards our 129. Successful break and hold, from which we're looking for a move up towards our 129.44. And if there is sufficient volatility over the coming days, possibly that 130 coming into focus. If, however, we fail to hold support at the 128.39, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside will be moved down towards that 127.78. Do have to be aware that the 128, we did have a bit of a consolidation in around that 128. Active resistance, held as support more recently. So resistance in around that 128, support in around at 128. So we do have to be aware of that, but ultimately we are looking for a move down towards the horizontal level of the 127.78, from which we're looking for a move down towards the 127.56. We'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. And here on this daily chart, we can see quite a bit of volatility is coming to this market here. So we've had a strong move to the upside, found resistance around at 129, successfully broke, retested the 130, from which we did see immediate sell side momentum come into the market from this 130. Very sharp pullback down towards our 127.56, trade slightly below that level in towards that 127.30s, 127.20s, from which we did see the strong bullish buy side momentum retested the 129 level, traded slightly above it. But as we can see, we did not close above it before seeing that sell side momentum come into the market yesterday. And so far today, we are seeing that sell side momentum follow through so far here on the US dollar against the CAD. So there is a potential to see prices retrace all the way back down towards that 127.78. The impulsiveness of the move up to the upside, maybe see an impulsive move to the downside, and prices start to develop a bit of a trading range here in around that 127.78 and possibly that 129. So we'll see how prices play out, whether we do see a trading range develop or whether we'll see a higher low relative to the previous low posted, from which we'll be looking for a move to and the retest of that 129 and that 129.44, where we do have the confluence of the 400 period moving average sitting pretty close by. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.